Otherwise, doesn't it, this sentence seems like
The student, the teacher will give a student a prize.
which is right. The teacher will give student a prize. Which is right. But wouldn't be...
Ma'am, it should be a student also.
that will make it a more perfect. I'm not saying it's a wrong sentence, but that will make a more...
Yes, ma'am.
So actually there is always a confusion where to use or where to use
Like just ma'am gave the reference that the is particularly used for a place where we know what is to be there. कहाँ पे है exactly पता.
Like the sun is rising in the east, then I'm using east and sun.
but वो बिल्कुल definite है that to the
एक तो सिर्फ एक के लिए यूज हो. एक के लिए. A और M दोनों
A can be any, but the student, if we already know that a particular, suppose Suraj is going to get a prize, we already know. And then you are now inviting, the teacher will be giving the student a prize.
Yes.
Because we know that the student is Suraj. But if it is any student, whoever is a student, the teacher will give a student. Whoever wins the quiz will a prize.
when something is
Very funny language.
Ma'am, English is very funny language.
Basically, it's so confusing sometimes.
But ma'am, when you are working on it, it's really good. It's very nice language.
Yeah.
And I think it is the easiest language to learn.
हिंदी से तो
हिंदी से तो कम से कम ज़्यादा ही होगी. इतनी मात्राएं होती हैं खत्म ही नहीं.
French is another Hindi.
Yes ma'am. English सबसे आसान होती है. English is what? Mastering 26 letters and your voice. That's it.
Exactly. And sir, Hindi is the only language. There is not any change. If I am saying वह के लिए अगर वो एक के लिए लगता है, वो एक के लिए ही लगता है. So it's very ये confusing language नहीं है हिंदी.
मैम हिंदी के पीछे जो बेसिक रीजन है वो है संस्कृत.
हिंदी
संस्कृत बहुत डाइवर्स है. बहुत डाइवर्स है. और संस्कृत I think it's the origin of many languages. Many of English words.
English language.
In Haridwar, there is a university called Gurukul Kangdi University, which is basically a typically Sanskrit-oriented university.
Exactly.
In every subject is in Sanskrit.
You just take English, father.
Yes.
Has come from Pitra.
Mother and mother, brother and brother.
Yes. Same.
It's Indo-Germanic language है.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit is very good.
Very nice language.
The word Sanskrit comes from two words, sans plus krit. Sans का मतलब होता है अच्छा और कृत का मतलब होता है रचना. अच्छी रचना.
Her this thing, husband is a Sanskrit teacher.
Oh, very nice.
Being a Sanskrit.
Ma'am, it's very much difficult to master Sanskrit.
Yes.
Very much.
Once you master it, it's like mathematics. You get full marks. I could never do that.
I get it. Same here. I can understand. I think Narendra Modi must take a step to introduce these laws. It must be like that.
From 2-3 onwards. What we were and 6th onwards. That was too much for us.
Ma'am, we all know that even the Hindu shlokas, they are basically in Sanskrit. Even Gayatri Mantra is in Sanskrit and it has a deep meaning directly associated with mathematics.
Exactly.
Gayatri Mantra is directly associated with mathematics.
Sir, if you are Hanuman Chalisa,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? मैम उसके बीच में जो माइल्स है सतयोजन and श्लोक है वो दिन वैसे
also अभी हम लोग
Let's come back to the thing.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Telugu most of word use Sanskrit.
Yes.
स्नानम use करते हैं.
हम बड़े खतरनाक से वर्ड होते हैं.
I don't know.
समझ नहीं आता है.
I know it.
The last pattern, that is basic pattern 7. Subject plus verb plus object complement. Again, I'm focusing on indirect object. फिर से preposition लगाना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
जो लास्ट वाली स्लाइड थी सर उसमें आपने बोला था कि when putting direct object first choose the
Suitable preposition.
preposition
यहाँ पे तो preposition है ही नहीं. ये सोच रहे हैं. मैम आप सोचिए कि preposition show क्या करता है? Let's come to the basic definition. No.
Position of the object.
Preposition basically express the relationship between the two things. So here we are using that definition. That's it. क्या?
Where is the preposition?
And there is no preposition at all.
I know, but indirect way में भी कैसा है?
हाँ.
He will give student a prize to a student. Then
हाँ?
direct object will come first.
Yes. Now देखिए, when putting direct object first, I have not put direct object first.
Yes.
अच्छा, okay.
Direct.
Okay, then we were.
अच्छा, indirect objects always start.
I'm just looking active passive voice.
Later
Me like indirect object.
Like it, I want a letter to.
To him. That is what.
That.
Mean the root word over here is when putting direct object
Okay, so.
first. Then. Like Deepak gave a book to me.
जब सर्कल खत्म होगा
We are using to with the word to.
And that is the only reason that we are not used to here.
Yes.
That the teacher will give two students a prize. It's a wrong sentence.
Yes.
I'm saying the teacher will give a prize to the student.
This is the thing that need to be focused on.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अभी जैसे क्वेश्चन रेज हुआ, लेकिन हमने क्या देखा, हमने ये नहीं देखा डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट लगा किधर है.
And this is, the teacher will give a prize to the student.
हाँ, तब बिल्कुल टू और आगे द स्टूडेंट. टू स्टूडेंट आल्सो द इज हम द
यहाँ पे भी दर लगा रही हूँ, गलत बात
अगर
है, इधर लगा
स्पेसिफिक
दो
हो
यार.
जाएगा तो द स्टूडेंट यूज करना. द टीचर विल गिव अ प्राइज टू स्टूडेंट. अब हमें ये नहीं पता स्टूडेंट कौन सा.
तो टू स्टूडेंट भी ठीक है और टू द स्टूडेंट भी.
जब द करोगे तो स्पेसिफिक हो जाएगा किस स्टूडेंट को प्राइज मिलेगा.
ये मैंने
ठीक है.
Two students.
टू
यस मैम.
टू स्टूडेंट भी ठीक है.
बिल्कुल. तभी कहते हैं स्वीट आर द यूजेस ऑफ एडवर्सिटी. इंग्लिश ऐसी चीज होती है जिसमें आप अलग अलग सेंटेंस के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो बिना कुछ प्रॉब्लम किए. कुछ नहीं होता. क्या गलत हो जाएगा दोबारा से सुन. Problems at first looks very big, but when you step onto it, it's very easy. They become short and short. After this, I'll tell you a story. I think you must have listened that also. और उससे जो हमारा जो moral level है वो बहुत हाई हो जाएगा. The story is basically from Bible. Then now let's look at the seventh pattern, that is subject plus verb plus object complement. We name the baby Bhabros. We name दिमाग में आता है किसको? The baby. What we name is Bhabros. And remember, what was the complement? The part other than subject and the verb. If you just move to the slide number 1, which says, what is complement then? Think.
Subject plus verb.
Subject plus verb. Look at this slide.
Subject plus verb.
Think about this slide. As a quick you can say reference. Complement was the part of sentence other than subject and verb. We choose him our leader.
As our leader, shouldn't it be as our leader?
Both is right.
Our is also, we choose him, our leader is also right. Both the sentences. There's no comma, any, no,
No.
We choose our leader. We choose him, a leader.
Comma is simply a short pause. Comma का मतलब तो छोटा थोड़ी देर रुकना.
We don't need it. We choose him our leader, we choose him as a leader.
Same.
It's much more prevalent, like we use it more.
They kept the place clean. Now the use of the. कौन सी जगह ये पता. So I hope this is clear also. That's it. Remember, this is rule of writing sentences. Remember, or we can say checklist. A sentence is always, meaning the first letter is always capital. 2. Punctuation at the end. Take care when you are writing sentences. 3. Includes a noun, includes a verb. Verb भी होती है, noun भी होता है. Is a complete thought that makes sense. I, Satinder, am. That is wrong. It is a group of words, but that is not means written properly.
So now there is a difference between sentence and phrase.
Yes.
Phrase,
also makes a sense, but sentence makes a
complete sense. Phrase does make a sense.
But you had just said that bird flies.
Bird fly.
But isn't it a phrase?
Yeah.
Phrase. That's
But I mean, it is making a
Or
complete
close the
sentence.
door if I'm talking.
Is it it's making a complete sentence? No? Sense. Birds fly. पक्षी उड़ते हैं.
But we call it as, we call it as a sentence or a phrase.
We call it as a sentence only.
And phrase is what?
Ma'am, like
Phrase also makes sense.
But
Makes
not a
sense.
complete sense.
Not a complete sense.
Like you gave an example.
for example, we can take as he stepped down. जैसे वो नीचे उतरा.
तो क्या हुआ we don't
Up,
know.
yes.
अच्छा, right.
Yeah.
Got it.
Phrase means half sentence.
We can say half sentence.
Incomplete.
Incomplete sentence. It is giving some sense, but not complete sense. It depends on something to make complete.
Complete.
We can say even.
And so there is gerund also. He is going.
Gerunds, infinitives also. Gerunds are there, infinitives are
Basically
there.
ing gerund.
Oh,
Now sometimes like phrase, we like gerund. We call it as gerund.
there is a difference between gerund and phrase.
Gerund we use for ing.
वो बहुत कठिन हो जाएगा, वो बहुत इतना रहेगा कि ये चीज़ है, वो complicated हो जाएगा.
Next step.
पुराने को मैं करवा दूंगा, मुझे कोई
Next
problem
step.
नहीं
First we
है.
have the next workshop. We do
Very nice.
we go a little bit more deeper. in.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In fact, if someone wants to learn phonetics also, like you told me,
Very nice.
I'll make that thing also. I'll make that.
Sir, phrase means indirect, incomplete sentence.
हाँ, और sentence complete होता.
She feel jealous. Sorry.
जैसे हम कहते हैं we are at the end of a show. At the end of the show, दिमाग में आता है क्या?
End of the show.
End of the show.
End of the show. But it's not. It's a phrase.
It's
End
a
of the
phrase.
show.
So let's have it at the class. What we learned in this workshop. Subject means the person or thing about which something is said. Subject वो चीज होती है जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाता है. Predicate is the remaining part of the sentence. Noun indicates the name of a person, place, or a thing. Pronouns are used in place of nouns. It's just like a quick recall of grammar. Verb is a word used for saying something about the subject. Adverb tell how, when and where. Example, slowly, yesterday, today, tomorrow. Adjective tells some quality or quantity of a person or a thing. Again, revising the patterns. Subject plus verb plus adverb. Actually, in this presentation, I have not focused on writing interrogative sentences. Exactly. My main focus on this workshop was about declarative sentences which we frequently use in our day-to-day life. My main focus was not on interrogative sentences. But that's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Simply interchange subject and the helping verb. There are basically, I think, 9 rules for interrogative formations. Yeah. Actually, I have that presentation also that we did when I started the show, means in September for the first time. Now, Deepa ma'am was a part of that trip.
Exactly.
So what we revised, what we did so far, subject plus verb plus adverb, subject plus linking verb plus adjective, subject plus linking verb plus noun, subject plus verb plus object, subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object, and finally we concluded with subject plus verb plus object complement. This we did in this workshop. Now, whenever you are writing sentence, think about these smileys. Always ask yourself, have I used capitals and periods? Have I put a finger space between my words? This is good for having a good writing. पढ़ा तो चीज है, लिख तो मैं सारा कुछ इकट्ठा कर लिया, पर समझ ही कुछ ना आया तो फायदा क्या? Have I spelled sight words correctly? Finally, my writing is neat and I try my best. Always have the feeling. Always have a good handwriting. Don't be like the doctors. Though some of the doctors really have good writing. इतना भी कि समझ ही ना आए तो फायदा है.
I have worst handwriting.
I must not compliment myself, but ma'am, I think my handwriting is really calligraphic. I used to have a good handwriting means earlier, but not now. This is just an indication of that.
Also nice handwriting.
My mom used to break my hands. Whenever I put even a single cutting mark on my paper, she used to tear the whole page and again says, write it full.
My mother should do like this to me, but she.
होता क्या है कि हम लोग अपने पेट के लिए हम दूसरों को रिस्पॉन्सिबल ठहराते हैं, लेकिन मैं कहता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं छोटा हूँ आप लोगों से, तो शायद एक रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ कि किसी को अपने पेट के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल मत करें। वो क्या होता है, हम खुद रिस्पॉन्सिबल। मेरी मम्मी भी कहते पढ़ ले, मैं थोड़े बड़े पढ़ना क्या करता हूँ, क्या जरूरत क्या है इसकी पढ़ाई करने की? बिकॉज वी आर लर्निंग हिस्ट्री, सिविक्स, ज्योग्राफी, लेकिन कभी मेरे को समझ नहीं है कि इसका यूज क्या है। पेरेंट्स पता नहीं आप सिखाते हैं बहुत अच्छा है, पर हम ही सीखते नहीं हैं। आपने आपके पेरेंट्स ने सिखाया, आपको बहुत अच्छा सिखाया, और मैं सच कहता हूँ आप लोगों की इंग्लिश मेरे से ज्यादा अच्छी है। मेरे से नहीं, want to be very frank, because you are at that stage where you can talk to someone and you are learning every day. A second wasted is lost forever. We have time for gossips, we don't have time to do gossip.